Yes, let's. Hello everyone. Our subject is microeconomics. Today we are going to start our last topic of this economic subject of this unit, first unit. Sorry, of this last unit. Clear. Uh, Classification of market. Market classification. Clear. On the basis of geographical coverage, on the basis of elements of competition, on the basis of methods of sales. Clear. So here is, you have to first draw the chart, types of market or classification of market, that is geographical, on the basis of geographical coverage, on the basis of elements of competition, on the basis of methods of sale. So first one, geographical coverage માં local market, regional market, national market and international market. એલિમેન્ટ્સ ઓફ કોમ્પિટિશનમાં જે આપણે ઓલરેડી અત્યારે આની પહેલા જે ચાર કોમ્પિટિશન ડિસાઇડ કરી એ તમારે ડિટેલમાં લખવાની છે. પરફેક્ટ કોમ્પિટિશન, મોનોપોલી, મોનોપોલિસ્ટિક એન્ડ ઓલિગોપોલી, આ બધા વિશે એક એક પેજ લખવાનું. ક્લિયર. દેન મેથડ ઓફ સેલ, રિટેલ માર્કેટ, હોલસેલ માર્કેટ, સ્પોટ એન્ડ ફોરવર્ડ માર્કેટ. ક્લિયર. So let's start on the basis of place or geographical area. So first one, local, regional and national and international. First one, local market. So when the competition between purchaser and seller is localized and limited at specific, local એટલે within limited geographical area is called local market. Like for example, mostly perishable goods are purchased and sold. Perishable like milk, fruit, eggs, grocery. Clear. So vegetables, fish, eggs, milk, આ બધું બધાનો લાઈફ સ્પાન કેવો હોય, વેરી શોર્ટ. યુ કેન નોટ સ્ટોર ફોર લોંગર પીરિયડ ઓફ ટાઈમ. ક્લિયર. Life span of life is very short. So generally local market, buying and selling within limited geographical area. Then regional market, in this market buying and selling, sales and purchase of articles. Articles means product. Clear. Is localized to state only, not outside of the state. Then national market, so it is that market in which demand of goods is in the nation as whole where you are living. Clear. Commodities sold and bought in entire country. National એટલે you can buying and selling within the India, it becomes national. Like Hindi book in India can have national market. Outside India you may not have market of Hindi books. Clear. Then international, buying and selling activity taken place between two countries. Clear. Outside the India, international. If the competition of goods is worldwide, the market will be international. Like gold, silver as the example of commodities that possess an international market. The international transportation, communication. Clear. Nowadays food item, ready-made clothes, toys, machine, oil, shoes, chocolates have become commodity of international market. Clear. Gold, silver, wheat, cloth, machine are sold and bought now international base. Clear. Through online purchase. Then on the basis of nature of competition, હવે nature of competition માં discuss in detail like perfect competition. So we already discussed. Clear. તમારે જે આપણે ઓલરેડી ડિટેલમાં ડિસ્કસ કર્યું છે, મિનિંગ એન્ડ ફીચર્સ ઓફ પરફેક્ટ કોમ્પિટિશન, મિનિંગ એન્ડ ફીચર્સ ઓફ મોનોપોલી, મિનિંગ એન્ડ ફીચર્સ ઓફ મોનોપોલિસ્ટિક કોમ્પિટિશન, મિનિંગ એન્ડ ફીચર્સ ઓફ ઓલિગોપોલી. ક્લિયર. આ બધા વિશે તમારે એક એક પેજ ડિસ્ક્રાઇબ કરવાનું છે આગળ, જે આપેલું જ છે ઓલરેડી તમને મટીરિયલ્સમાં. ક્લિયર. ડિસ્કસ ઇન ડિટેલ. So perfect competition means there are large number of buyers and sellers. Clear. There are so many substitute products, homogeneous products are available. So under perfect competition, each and every firm is price taker, not a price maker. Monopoly means only one seller in market. There are no substitute products are available. So there should be no any kind of competition. Under monopoly situation, each and every firm is price maker, not a price taker. Price taker and price maker. Price taker એટલે you have to adopt, accept those price which is prevalent in the market. માર્કેટમાં જે ભાવ ચાલતો હોય એ તમે એડોપ્ટ કરો or accept કરો તો એને શું કહેવાય? Price taker. અને price maker એટલે you can decide your own price. Clear. Monopolistic competition, it is the combination of both monopoly plus perfect competition. Clear. Then oligopoly. Oligopoly means few sellers in the market. Then on the basis of sales, so retail market. Retail, when commodities sold in small quantity or part, we can call it retail market. Clear. only small part or quantity. Small quantity માં તમે sell કરો તો શું કહેવાશે? Retail basis. Clear? Market are those where quantity bought and sold in small scale. Wholesale means commodity sold in bulk or large quantity. Wholesale market are featured by large volume of business or wholesaler. Spot and forward means future. Spot taking the nature of transaction, they can be spot or future. Spot means once the transaction takes place, delivery takes place. Clear? ટ્રાન્ઝેક્શન તમે કરો એટલે એટ એ ટાઈમ તમને ડિલિવરી આપી દે. ક્લિયર? પ્રોડક્ટ આપી દે એને કહેવાય સ્પોટ. ફ્યુચર એટલે ટ્રાન્ઝેક્શન આર ફાઇનલાઇઝ પેન્ડિંગ ડિલિવરી એન્ડ પેમેન્ટ ફોર ધી ફ્યુચર ડેટ્સ, લાઈક ઓનલાઈન પરચેસ. ક્લિયર? તમને પ્રોડક્ટ ક્યારે મળે? ફ્યુચરમાં. Then on the basis of time, so the time duration is the factor accordingly. There can be short period and long period market. Clear? Short period market are for highly perishable goods for all kinds, and long period market are for durable goods. There are two type of goods: perishable, non-perishable. Non-perishable means durable goods. Clear? Perishable, like lifespan is very short, you cannot store for longer period of time, like milk, eggs. Clear? Fruits, vegetables, આ બધું કેવું કહેવાય? Perishable. Then durable goods for different variety may be produced or manufactured. So long term and short term. So this is the market classification. Clear? First you have to draw chart. Clear? And explain on the basis of geographical area, on the basis of elements of competition, on the basis of method of sale. Clear? So we have completed 4 units. First unit, in which you have to prepare wealth definition, welfare definition, scarcity definition. Clear? So I repeat, in first unit you have to prepare wealth definition, welfare, scarcity, nature and scope of economics, and economic and non-economic activity. In second definition you have to prepare utility. Clear? Law of diminishing marginal utility and law of equivalent marginal utility. Third unit, demand. Clear? Then supply. So demand, factor affecting demand. Clear? Then here is law of demand. Then same, supply, factor affecting supply and law of supply. Then price elasticity of demand. Factor affecting price elasticity. Factor affecting ને બીજું શું કહેવાય? Determinants. Clear? And types of price elasticity. Clear? Then fourth unit you have to prepare fourth competition, that is perfect competition, monopoly, monopolistic competition, and oligopoly, and market classification. Clear? So if you have any doubt or query, clear, then you can message me. Thank you all.